DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan like una this week on na una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive all thought ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when it concern
DJM TV.
Election or war. Edo State right now.
The purpose of emphasis, you are all to be guided by the following on the election day. 1. No one is allowed to wear any cloth, emblem, or color signifying any political party to the polling unit. 2. No person is allowed to move around with security personnel around the polling unit. 3. Everyone is enjoined to vote and return to their respective houses or remain peacefully within the approved parameters of the polling centers. 4. No one is allowed to move about from one polling unit to another, and there shall be restriction of movement on the day of the elections. 5. Only INEC accredited election monitors, observers are allowed to move around for the purpose of the election monitoring, and they must all wear their INEC accreditation tags. 6. Only accredited journalists are allowed to cover the elections. All such journalists must carry their accreditation tags. 7. Praise singing, drumming, and dancing around the vicinity of the polling unit are not allowed. 8. Vehicles branded in any political party color or emblem are not allowed to be deployed on any election assignment. 9. Selling of alcohol, beverages around the polling booth and collection centers is totally banned.
Election or war. Edo State right now.
DJM TV.